The last two problems you had to do on pages 73 and 74 were numbers 32 and 34. They deal with the difference between absolute difference and relative difference. And so I'm just going to do an example like it. I'm going to do number 31, which is very similar, and then you'll have an example that you can use. And there are examples in the book for every one of these homework problems. There's an example telling you exactly how to do it in the book as well, so rely on those. 31 says the percentage of high school seniors using alcohol decreased from 68.2%, that was in 1975, to 52.7%, which is the value now. And the instructions want two things from us. Number one, they want the absolute difference. And number two, they want the relative difference. Relative difference is the percent of change. Absolute difference is where you literally just subtract the two. All right? But what you need to know when you're doing these is absolute difference. You start with the current most value, which is 52.7. And you're going to subtract the original amount, which was 68.2. And when you subtract those two values, you get negative 15.5%. So that's the absolute difference. It went down 15.5, and we call that percentage points. Okay, so that's the absolute difference. The relative difference is where you want the percent of decrease. So you put the actual percentage points difference of negative 15.5, and you divide by what it originally started off as, or your reference value, which is 68.2%. You're going to divide those two in your calculator. 15.5 divided by 68.2, and you get negative 0.227. You've got to move your decimal 2 places to the right, and that gives you 22.7%. That's the relative difference. It is negative because you have gone down. It decreased. It went from 68 to 52. So that's your relative difference.